Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel back again. Today we are going to show you how to take the oven door out for the Neff oven, because this one is kind of little bit tricky. So at first you can see, like the oven need to slide in, so that means it's in the best condition you have, so that means they are working fine. So to take the door out, first we are showing you the locking mechanism. So this is a locking mechanism for the door. That space you can just pull up and down so that you can unlock and lock the locking mechanism of the door. So there it is, like this is the thing you need to pull up, where the door latch comes in there, and then you can lock it if you want to put in back, but if you want to unlock, then just push up to unlock so that you can take the door out. But it's not that easy what we have shown. So first you need to unlock both sides by lifting up the lock. So as shown in the video, yeah, that is unlocked, and if you push it down, that will be locked. So unlock and lock. So you need to push it up to unlock the lock for that door mechanism, and then you are going to take the door, open the door slightly, and then unlock that piece to the left and to the right. So then open the door slightly more until you hear some click noise on the both side. That's it. And then you need to play with the handle until you find the perfect position to lift the door. So when you lift the door, the hinges, they will be on that positions locked. So this is, I'm just playing with the handle, trying to show you, like how does that latching things of the door works. And now to take the glass out, you just need to push on the both side of this button, then you can lift up, so that you can take the glass out and you can clean the glass as you want. Mostly, like we have to take the glass out to clean at the back of the glass, because in front you can easily clean it out. So that's the like a locking, the door mechanism of the Neff door. So put it back, you just need to slightly put it down and then just push it until it latched in. So the most important thing you need to take here is, while you put the door in, that's the most interesting thing, you need to take it out, because like for us the hinge has already moved, so we wanted to put the hinge back in this position with the roller. The roller and the hinge support need to be adjusted and locked. So for us this has been moved out, so like we need to put it down like so that it will just click in and then locked in that position. And now you need to put that latch of the door to that door lock, let's say a hinge lock. So you need to do it very carefully. You need to put on the position. Sometimes like it might not be in fully, so you need to play with the handle to drop down the door a little bit. So when the door is dropped down, and you need to unlock those side handle for the hinges, so that you can lift the door going back and up easily. So and don't forget to lock, don't forget to lock to avoid the problem. You need to lock the lock so that the door doesn't move and then doesn't fall. So this is the video that after this video you can easily take the door out, even to replace the spring, to clean the hinges. If sometimes the glass is broken, you can easily replace the glass. Thank you for watching us. Please subscribe and stay with us. Thank you.